Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Highlander key fob battery. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Next, make sure you have a new CR1632 coin cell battery ready. It is also helpful to work in a clean, well-lit area to easily see the small components. This simple preparation will make the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing. Gently pop out the old CR1632 battery. Now, take your new CR1632 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the edges match up. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.